couple of my viewers, Frank and M, were trying to remember what all these buttons did on the instrument panel. This is the start and stop for the mower blade. This is the light switch for the headlights. This is the low speed drive for the speed of the mower. And this is the low speed cut for the speed of the blades. This is the new battery meter. And this is the USB outlet for any accessories that you want to plug in. If you turn it to the accessory position, it doesn't do anything. But if you turn the key to the on position, then that turns everything on here, and all the buttons become functional. The gauge turns on. And then, of course, if you start to hear that annoying beeping sound, well, what do?
Take out the key.